Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reacting to two music videos today. The first one is Mamamoo's Wanna Be Myself and Kim Namjoo solo called Bird. So the first one we're reacting to is Mamamoo. Now I don't know if this is a official comeback. I don't think it's an official comeback because there would have been like concept photos and they would have said like either a single, mini album, or an album. But from the outfits, it looks like it's like a sponsor video because you know how they had that one music video called Glam or Gleam, and it was like a sponsorship for sunglasses or glasses in general. So I think it's just a sponsorship or just like a song in general. I don't know. But yeah, so we're just gonna react to it. Okay, let's start. Ooh, she's so beautiful. Yes. Oh my god, her body is like goals. How is their skin so smooth? Oh, I love her body. It's so... Oh my god. Huyen is so underrated. Oh, beautiful. She's so cool. Oh, we got choreography, okay. They all look good even with like basic clothing. Hwasa! Period, I respect myself. Oh, she's so cute. She is so, oh my god. Hwasa, even in sweatpants, she looks sexy. I don't know how that happened. Oh my god. Ah, the eyebrow raise. Oh my god. They're just staring at a camera, but I just feel so attacked. Oh my god. Oh. Solar is so... I'm in love with Hwasa, oh my god. Oof. Oh my god. Oof, I like that. Oh my god, I like that. I like the whole self-love concept. We need more of those. Oh, I loved it. They all look stunning, especially Solar and Hwasa. I mean, all of them look beautiful, but those were the ones that stood out to me. Oh, they're just so beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, so the next one is Kim Namjoo, Bird. This came out 3 days ago, so I'm kind of late, but whatever. I don't know much about A-Pink. I know I only listened to some of their songs. I'm not like a... Isn't there fandom named Pink Panda, because I know their light stick is a panda. I think they're called Pink Pandas or something like that. I could be wrong. But I'm not, a stan of A-Pink. I do, like their music. I don't know any of the members except for Namjoo. That's all. So, yeah, let's react. Oh. It already looks interesting from the start. She's so beautiful. Queen! The choreography! She cut. What? This gives me like Egyptian vibes. Ayy. I'm not gonna lie, she has a really good voice. Oh, the setting. The backup dancers are doing a good job. Oh my god. This is so cool. What the heck? She looks so cute in short hair. Oh. I like the settings. What the? Oh. Her dancing is incredible. Oh. Wow. That was pretty good. I need a little bit more time on the song in general. The chorus kind of threw me off. It feels very empty, but that's just me. I like Mamamoo's song more than that. That's just my preference. No hate to Namjoo, obviously, because she's so talented and her dancing was really good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Make sure to give a big like, thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @universe_. So if you want to follow me, you can. And I will post videos whenever I feel like it, because I literally started online school like yesterday. Yesterday was my first day of high school. Literally 3 more years until I'm 18. I don't want to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and should get a big like, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.